Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. And let's move to the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, we had such a nice beautiful short trade yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is also given in the video description. So today, as soon as the price respected the support level, so we had a counter long trade here and the target was nicely hit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze this counter trade. And if you look at the intraday system, as you can see from yesterday, we had such a nice beautiful short trade here this morning, and that's what I explained to my trader at this level. Once the price hit to this major support level at this level, so we had a pattern here as explained to my in detail in live analysis. The price broken the recent high, and then we're looking here another pullback and then keep taking a pullback. That's what I explained to my trader. Otherwise, if the price is going to break this wedge, then taking a short trade continuation. As you can see, based on this analysis of price came back here, developed pullback, another pullback, another pullback. As you can see here, price repeatedly respected the support level. That's the way we only look at counter trade. And I also explained to my trader in live analysis, if you look at here, the price developed inverted head and shoulder pattern at the extreme level, as you can see here at the red fib channel, and that's also coordinated with the major support level in 4-hour. And that's why we analyze the market. As you can see here, we had a few PPs, not that big movement, but we had amazing move on pound dollar and the dollar CAD. Let me share with you guys. Okay, so if you look at the pound dollar exactly in 4-hour, we had such a nice big move yesterday, and as soon as the price respected the support level, as you can see here, and we have a counter long trade here. And let me share with you guys how I analyze market this morning. And if you look at here, this morning, as mentioned here, that the price nicely broken and this previous highs, and if the price is going to respect this level, the news was good for the dollar this morning 7 o'clock, and we're expecting a long trade here. Momentum was bullish, as you can see here. So we had such a nice beautiful, that was the first priority based on the technical analysis, based on the fundamental analysis. As you can see here, beautiful long trade here, and as soon as the price hit first target and the second target, as soon as the price hit to the previous low in 4-hour, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we had amazing trade, and we're still waiting this analysis to be executed. As you can see here, this price developed sideways market, so it hasn't broken this pattern. And if you look at in 4-hour, you can see here price nicely broken previously, and it's looked like the price is respecting here. If the price gonna break above this level, then we're looking long, otherwise short here. As I said to you guys, we are intraday. We'll let you know tomorrow. And let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had such a beautiful short trade here. After the news, we also had a long trade here. Let me share with you guys both trades. As you can see here this morning at the London Open, and this is price develop another pattern here. And yesterday we were long and banked beautiful profit, and today, as soon as the London morning session, price developed this pattern. And that's what I explained to my trader. If the price is gonna break this level, then we long, otherwise break short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely broken. After the breakout, price also developed another pullback as soon as the price hit to the final target. And just before the news, I explained to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. So that was the beautiful short trade this morning. And at the New York session, once the price is reversed, that's what I explained to my trader. Price should respect this level, which is previous low, recent small low is broken, and then expecting here another pullback here. But the safest trade, I explained to my trader in analysis, look for this breakout. So technically what we can see here in 4-hour, the price nicely hit to the previous low and sort of like developing it double bottom here. And if the price gonna stay above this previous low, which is broken, then we are looking along, otherwise continuation short. As you can see here, we had the bearish rejection and beautiful, and based on that we have refined the entries. Look for this breakout. As you can see at the bottom, momentum was developed bullish, and as soon as the price broken the previous recent high at this level, taken a long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit, and let's see if the market is going to develop another pattern. All right guys, so that's what exactly we had it. The best trade we had it, the pound yen. We really enjoyed it, both long and short. If you look at the 4-hour chart, price nicely respected the support level. So we were looking entry at this level. We had such a nice, beautiful long trade here. And then we also looking, if you look at the price, respected the previous high, which previous low is broken. So we were expecting a pullback. So we also had a short trade here. Let me share with you how I analyze both long and the short here. That was amazing trade this morning. As explained to my trader, we were expecting the price might gonna break this previous this support level. That's what I did this analysis in the London morning session. Explained to my trader, look, this breakout, if the price gonna break this structure, then we're going to take a trade. And if you look at here, the price broken this recent high. That's what I explained to my trader, and momentum was developed bullish. We then explained to my trader, price is look like respecting the support level, then keep taking a pullback. So we have breakout 1, 2. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we had a beautiful long trade on pound yen. And at the New York session, as you can see here, once I explained to my trader, price develop high and low here and develop another structure here, pretty straightforward. As you can see here, if the price gonna break the recent low or the recent high, that's what I explained to my trader here, then we're going to take a trade here, because in 4-hour we are expecting a pullback here, but we need a valid technical entry, and that's the best way. If the price broken and retest, give us the confirmation. Short trade here, momentum develop bearish, and that's pretty straightforward. After the breakout, another pullback, another pullback. That's what I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. Let's see tomorrow if the price is going to respect this support, or it's going to break. If it's gonna break, then we have a free traffic tomorrow. Let's see tomorrow guys. But we really enjoy both long and short, and that's how we analyze market in 4-hour. That's we analyze, refine entries and exit in intraday, and that's we bank pips every single day. I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, the most important part and interesting part of it when you're watching those analyses in real time and the banking profit in real time. So if you are struggling in forex trading, the best way, the only best way is to develop a trading skill with the live market in real time, alongside with a professional trader, where you can see how they analyze in real time, how the banking profit in real time. And then at the same time, you can practice alongside with them, and you get the feedback on all of your trades. So technically, this is a live, real time in education, forestry education. So once you develop your skill and once you produce consistency result, so then I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader in real time with the live market and how I help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So even if you are experienced trader, as you can see, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.